Welcome to the KIP Color Series FuserWeb installation video. In this video, we'll show you how to properly install the FuserWeb into a KIP 600 series printer. For additional reference, visit the KIP website to download the KIP Color Series service manual. Required equipment: a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove 2 screws on each side to remove cover 2 from the rear side of the printer. Loosen 2 screws on each side at the top of the fuser. Next, disconnect connector 4 and feed it through the square hole on the drive side. Then remove fuser top cover 6. Remove 4 screws on the inner fuser cover 8 and remove the cover. Remove 2 screws to remove the orange web roller assembly from the fuser unit. Note the winding direction of the web roller when installing. When installing the thicker part of the web roller, attach the toner side first, and then attach the drive side. Next, hold the thinner part of the web roller and unwind it 1 meter in length. Hand roll the web to the rear position, and attach the toner side first, and then attach it to the drive side. Make sure there is no slack in the web by winding it backwards into the thicker part of the web roller. Return the orange web roller back to its original position. And secure it with 1 screw on each side. Watch the next video in our KIP 600 series installation playlist. For additional reference, visit the KIP website to download the KIP 600 series setup guide 1.